Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Conflicts. Today we are celebrating the 40th anniversary of G.I. Joe with an exclusive unboxing sent by Hasbro. So big special thanks to the good folks over at Hasbro sending this over, as well as G.I. Joe, of course. And this is the box that they sent us. Now it looks almost like it's out of the cartoons as it's kind of busting about and kind of rotated. It does have a lot of cool looking clip art to it. It says G.I. Joe. On the back you almost have like an explosion happening, and then over here it also says G.I. Joe. So overall, a really cool looking packaging. So together in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it as well as seeing exactly what they sent us. So if you guys want to learn more about it, be sure to check out their link down below in the description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so as we previously mentioned, this here's the box. Got this nice looking nostalgic value to it, kind of showcasing it as they're kind of punching through it. 1982, a real American hero, 2022, 40 years. Oh, cool. Alright, so on the top here we have some cards. For instance, it talks about it a little in terms of detail. So it says, Yo Joe! This Yo Joe, June, the G.I. Joe team is celebrating the 40th anniversary of the fan favorite series, G.I. Joe, a real American hero. In this special package, we are gifting you some of the latest figures from Hasbro's G.I. Joe Classified series and G.I. Joe Retro Collection line, where you'll find Stormtrooper, Spirit, and the Baroness, and much, much more. In addition, we have also included a Snake Eyes G.I. Joe Origins Ninja Sword from Disguise and a promo offer from fun.com. We hope these items get you excited to express your love for G.I. Joe and the brand's month-long celebration. And then it says to get the hype started, be sure to tune into Yo Joe's live stream on June 8th as well as June 29th, which we'll be checking out the 29th version since the 8th already passed. But moving on, we also have, looks like a little preview of G.I. Joe's Deluxe Cobra Commander helmet. Now this is made by a company called Trick or Treat Studios, so it looks like a high quality helmet that you can actually wear. Then also we got ourselves a little promo here for 20% off on fun.com, which they actually house a lot of different G.I. Joe products. Alright, moving on, let's see what's in here. So first off, we have ourselves a G.I. Joe Classified series. This year is the Crocmaster and Fiona. Now, this is actually a high quality set here. So you get two characters. Of course, you do get Fiona, which is that crazy looking crocodile. And it comes with a little baby crocodile too on the top left. That's kind of cool. And then on the back here, you have a very nice looking cover art. And yeah, wow, look at that, man. This is actually really cool stuff. We have ourselves a Storm Shadow from the G.I. Joe Classified series. Now this comes with a lot of different accessories. And then we have ourselves the Cobra Viper, also G.I. Joe Classified series. Wow, this thing looks really, really cool. Now this is based off the Python Patrol, so you got the color combination going there. Now on the back here, it kind of shows you a little bit different of a cover art, almost like in the jungle, which is really cool too. Alright, and then we have ourselves the Spirit Iron Knife. Again, the G.I. Joe Classified series. You just see ourselves as a little eagle there too. And then you can do his rifle and a variety of different weapons, which is pretty neat. Okay, so that finishes it off for the Classified series products that they sent us. Now, I also see a sword. Oh, wow, check it out. This here is the Snake Eyes sword from the movie series. Look at that. It's got this like brushed aluminum finish, made out of plastic, of course, but you do have Snake Eyes logo there. And again, really, it looks pretty darn cool. So that's like the katana for Snake Eyes. You can do some karate chops right there, or G.I. Joe chops. But yes, pretty cool stuff there. As we continue on, we have our Baroness. So more or less the retro series here. So this here is Cobra Enemy, the Baroness housing her weapons, of course. On the back here, it talks about her a little bit more in terms of details. So of course, she's a Cobra intelligence officer. Talks about in terms of her history. Okay, and then last but not least, we have this really cool looking packaging. So this here is essentially like a retro material box. So this will house two characters. So in this one here, we have a Cobra officer and a Cobra trooper. And the way this works, I believe it just kind of pops open from the bottom like this. There you go. And then we have both of our characters in there. Now this is Definitely nostalgic right here. So you got the miniature versions of these characters. You have a Cobra and a Cobra Officer. Definitely brings back a lot of memories from my childhood. And I love the fact that it's a 2-pack kit. That is actually really cool. Alright, well there you guys have it. So big special thanks to the good folks over at Hasbro as well as G.I. Joe for sending over this amazing care package. And with that said, if you guys had any questions about any of these characters, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.